Look at this bastard. I was just about to put the tyre back on and I saw that little fella. And actually this tyre has been leaking, so let's see if there's any bubbles coming out. Yeah, tiny little leak. Okay, so it's a good little opportunity. I'm going to get my old repair kit out and see if we can fix it. You can see the air coming out of it. At least I now know why this tyre kept going down. So you use this little bradawl tool to kind of clean it out of it. And then you choose the right size of seal to put into it. Some of these kits come with a little tube of glue like this one here, and some of them don't. Use one of these. It's a little bit smaller. I think that's the right size. It's not a very big hole actually. Get that in. Okay. Well, that's halfway. Put a bit of this rubber cement on. It's a bit runny. I don't know if this has gone off. Oh well. Who cares? Aha! That's better. And then pull quickly out. There we go. There we go. I'll just cut off the excess and that obviously wear down as it drives. Let's put it back on the car. Sorted.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.